Welcome to Choice Champions. The best riser covers is probably one of the most overlooked components of a septic system, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining its efficiency and safety. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of septic tank riser covers, exploring their importance, the different types available, and what you should consider when choosing the right one for your needs. So, let's get started and ensure your septic system is in top shape. Number 5. Septic tank treatment, 1-year supply. Are you looking for an easy way to maintain your septic system? These monthly dissolving packets are specially formulated to break down waste. It's the easiest way to prevent expensive backups. Each packet contains billions of active bacteria cultures. They are scientifically selected to recharge the enzymes needed to reduce solids. This helps decompose different types of waste in your septic tank. These flushable septic treatment packets are all natural with no chemical additives. They are safe for all home plumbing lines and septic systems. You can flush it down your toilet with confidence. This is the best way to maintain a healthy residential septic system. The concentrated formula is also ideal for marine holding tanks and camper toilets. It helps control and get rid of bad smells. A small investment in these treatments helps prevent clogs and bulky buildup. The bacteria in each packet digest solid waste, converting it to liquid. This prevents costly repairs and frequent pumping. What we like. This septic tank treatment is designed to prevent costly backups. It's as simple as flushing a packet each month. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution to maintain a healthy septic system and avoid expensive repairs, this is the product for you. What people say. This treatment offers the bacteria balance the septic needs. The functionality of this product and the speed at which it worked is astounding. The scent is gone. It's very effective, excellent product quality. Keeps my septic system healthy and working great. Number 4. Tuf-Tite 24-foot x12 Septic Tank Riser. Introducing the Tuf-Tite Septic Tank Riser. This is a great solution for your septic tank needs. It's designed to provide easy access and maintenance. This riser has a diameter of 24 inches and a height of 12 inches. It's the perfect size for most standard septic tanks, ensuring a proper fit. This product is specifically designed for septic tanks. It helps to bring the access point of your tank to the surface, making inspections and cleaning easier. Please note that screws are not included with this product. You'll need to provide your own screws for installation. The riser is stackable for convenient storage and transport. It comes in a green color, making it easy to identify. What we like. This riser is specifically designed for septic tanks. Its stackable design allows for easy adjustment to the desired height. If you need a straightforward and durable riser for your septic tank, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to work with and standard fit to septic tank. They're strong and very durable. The combination makes it easy to access your septic tank when it's time for pumping. Number 3. Polylok 24 Septic Tank Cover Lid, PN, 3008 RC. Introducing the Polylok 24 Septic Tank Cover Lid. It's designed to fit perfectly with Polylok 24 risers, adapter rings, and D-boxes. This cover ensures a secure and reliable fit for your septic system. This cover is specifically designed for Polylok components. It will not work with risers or corrugated pipes from other manufacturers. Ensure you have the right components for optimal performance. The cover comes with built-in handles for easy access. This makes it simple to inspect or maintain your septic tank. The design is user-friendly and practical. It features a factory-installed, watertight gasket. This gasket prevents leaks and keeps the system sealed. This ensures the safety and efficiency of your septic system. Stainless steel screws are provided for secure installation. The cover is built to last and withstand the elements. It provides long-lasting protection for your septic tank. This cover offers the highest UV protection available. This feature helps to prevent degradation from sun exposure. It ensures the longevity of the product. What we like. This cover features a watertight gasket and comes with stainless steel screws for a secure seal. It also boasts the highest UV protection on the market. If you prioritize durability and long-lasting performance, this cover is an excellent option. What people say. Well-made, fits as expected. Fit perfectly on the 24-inch riser. Seals up nicely when you screw it down. Exact replacement for the cover it is replacing. Well-made, heavy plastic with reinforcing ribs and a good seal. Comes with stainless steel replacement cover screws. Number 2. Aero-Stream AS, R7 Septic Tank Riser Kit. Tired of digging? This kit brings your septic tank access to ground level. It makes inspections and maintenance a breeze. With this kit, you can quickly and easily access your septic tank. No more struggling with buried covers, it simplifies everything. This kit is built with rugged HDPE components. It's engineered for reliable, all-weather performance, ensuring it lasts. This product is proudly engineered and manufactured in the USA. You can trust in its quality and durability. The kit comes complete with everything you need for installation. Just grab your hand tools, and you're ready to go. What we like. This riser kit brings the access cover to ground level for easy inspections. Its rugged HDPE components ensure reliable, all-weather performance. If you want a quick and easy way to maintain your septic tank, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Quality product, install was very simple and it looks great. No more digging up the septic tank for service. Very well made and easy to assemble. This system solves that problem and it looks good. This riser system is rugged and easy to construct and install. Number 1. Aero-Stream AS, R32 Septic Tank Riser Kit. This is the Aero-Stream AS, R32, the standard in septic tank riser safety. It ensures your system operates smoothly and safely. This kit provides peace of mind. The kit includes a safety barrier, riser, cover, mounting fasteners, sealant, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything needed for a secure and reliable installation is provided. This comprehensive package simplifies the process. The base flange measures 30.25 by 30.25 inches, with a 23.5-inch inner diameter riser ring. These precise dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your septic tank. It's designed for optimal performance. This kit is complete and ready for installation, though some assembly is required. The process is straightforward, and the included instructions guide you through each step. You'll have it set up quickly. The product ships in 2 separate packages for efficient handling and delivery. This ensures that all components arrive safely and securely. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. This riser kit is the standard in septic tank riser safety. It includes a safety barrier and everything needed for installation. If you value safety in a complete, ready-to-install solution, this is the one to choose. What people say. The product was easy to install. The septic tank riser cover fit perfectly. The cover is sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.